Okay, how do you add a contact from your recent calls? One easy way to add contacts so that you can get them in your phone is to go to your recents, and you'll see you'll have people that have called and you have called here. And if they're not in your contacts, they'll just be a number. So if you hit the I, the little blue inspector, and you scroll down, you'll see create new contact or add to existing contact. Like if it's someone's work number or second number, you could add it to an existing contact. We'll create new contact. First name, we'll just put in a name. Oops. Paul Jones, and there's the phone. You can add their email. You can add a custom ringtone when they call you and a custom text tone. You can add their address so that you can easily write them. Hit done. And now we have in contacts right here. You can search for your contacts. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.